What's up, Pilipinas? So, we have another package. Tuwan-tuwa na naman yung plantito kasi there's something new. Just got delivered tonight. Fresh na fresh, bagong-bago. Kararating lang via Lalamove. Pero bakit parang JNT Express yung... Ano ba talaga? JNT Express or Lalamove ang nag-deliver? Kasi the pouch is JNT Express, yung plastic pouch. Pero sabi sa akin nung nagpadala is via Lalamove. So, I'm not sure. Pero I'll open it. Pero naka-address sa akin nga. And it contains my name, my telephone number, my address. And then naka-lista yung mga uh, products. It says here, ano yun? Lettuce ba yun? Lettuce 500, leafy 520, FB 520. What's that? Up and down combo 150, IRO 150. I'm not sure. Pero this came from NutriHydro. Ito yung ginagamit for hydroponics. Yun. Yan magiging next project natin. Although I've tried it already, nakapagsubok tayo ng hydroponics, kaya lang naubusan na tayo ng nutrient solution. So, ito yung magiging experiment natin next time. Kasi I used a different nutrient solution before. Ang ginamit ko dati is yung Snap from UP Los Baños. Ngayon, try natin yung kanyang nutrient solution na alam ko is available in smaller sizes din. Kasi they're actually promoting it as well as a Christmas gift then, especially this holiday season. Open natin. Whoa, I have here several bottles. Hindi naman to drinks. Mga bottles lang siya. So, unahin natin yung maliliit. Uy. So, pH. NutriHydro up pH. This is iron from NutriHydro as well. Then, meron, kung may up, merong down pH. Ayan, sana, makita ba? Ayan. To iron plus and plus trace elements. And then I can see here we have siguro parang ano to 2 sets. Kasi I can see na mayroong parang kaparehong color. Merong green, light green, and yellowish. So this is merong solution. Okay. So it's 3 sets. Solution A and solution B. The solution A is in parang clear and the solution B is parang color green. So ito yung leafy. Okay. So meron for leafy, meron for kaya magkaiba pa ng konti ang kulay ito. Solution A and solution B is this is for lettuce. And then, sabahin natin yung for leafy. Di ba lettuce is leafy as well? And then, solution A, this is for fruit bearing. Ito, solution B. So, tatlong set na for leafy vegetables, for lettuces, and for fruit bearing vegetables. Tapos, merong up and down na yung pang-measure or pang-balance ng pH. Kailan na ba yung pH? Then, merong iron. And tinatanong ko yung anak ko kung ano yung pH, pero tulog na yata. Alam ko, ano ba yung pH? I-research natin. Alam ko dati yun eh. Ayan. So, thank you very much, NutriHydro. As soon as na maging available na yung place, kasi we're having it renovated, we're going to demo this. We're going to actually use them on our hydroponics setup. So, ginagamit ko po, so for the meantime is yung Kratky Hydroponics kasi mas yun ang pinaka mas convenient and mas mura at pinaka easiest na setup and compared to the other kinds of hydroponics na yung nagpo-flow yung water, meron kailangan ng pump, kailangan ng pump, kailangan ng electricity doon. So medyo magastos dahil you have to use power, you have to consume power from electricity. So thank you very much, NutriHydro. It was delivered at around this time. Kaya di-deliver lang just a few minutes ago. So mga 9 p.m. Wow! Gabing-gabi na. And yet, deliver pa rin nila dito. So, this is before Christmas, pero baka wala tayong show on Christmas Day kasi ang show natin will be every Friday at Global Pinas TV 168 every Friday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Kaya lang that is Christmas Day, December 25. So baka pahinga muna tayo doon next Friday na, which is New Year ba yun? Next Friday again. So baka next year na natin ma-demo to. Unless meron tayong enough time to actually pagtapos na yung ginagawa dito. We're having roof installed and then a separate room, an additional room built over at the side of our house. Para meron din tayong, kasi yung elements, yung rain, the sun, although yung beneficial siya, kaya lang nagdi-dilute yung ating nutrient solution because of the rain. And pag yung sun naman, over naman siya, it will also cause damage to the vegetables that we planted. So baka sakaling gagamit ako ng mga grow lights this time para ma-testing talaga natin, tsaka parang talagang enough sunshine ang makuha ng ating mga veggies, mga vegetables. Kasi kapag aasa ka sa araw, kung palaging umuulan na umuulan, kulang sa araw, kulang sa laki ang iyong mga tanim. And kapag ulan naman ang ulan, malulunod, madidilute, mababawasan yung strength ng ating nutrient solution. So, hindi siya controlled environment kasi you cannot control the weather. Diba? You cannot control the typhoon, especially nakaraang typhoon, which is pinaka worst is yung Ulysses so far. Bukod pa dun siya mga Yolanda, Ondoy. So, buti na lang, nakakita ko ng mura lang na grow lights. Sa less than 500 pesos lang isang grow light. So, pwede na yun sa isang set ng ating hydroponics. So, thank you very much again, NutriHydro, for sending over this nutrient solutions and of course yung pang-control ng ating pH up and down. Kasi di ba yung liquid natin, yung water natin, iba-iba yan eh. Iba-iba yung pH niya eh. Kailangan mayroong certain measurement na para enough or para tamang-tama lang doon sa ating itatanim para it will grow properly. We can lower and we can bring it up yung pH using this up and down. And eto, bago sa akin to, iron plus trace elements. So, alamin natin kung para saan to exactly, saan to ginagamit. Although konti lang siya, maliit lang. So, siguro konti lang kailangan nito. High content iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, and molyhydrate. Mahirap yung tumatanda na malabo na yung mata. Hindi na mabasa. Oh, farsighted na nga. Nilalayo ko pa yung bote para mabasa na. Anyway, meron namang way para mabasa to. I'll just use my phone, take a picture, and then tsaka i-zoom yung picture. So again, abangan nyo na lang po ang pag-demo natin o pag-actual use ng mga products coming from NutriHydro. Thank you very much. Bye. This is Russell Rosario saying, what's up, Pilipinas? Mga plantito, mga plantita. Experiment na naman tayo soon. Pero that will be probably after Christmas and New Year na. So bye guys. See you next year, 2021. And hopefully, okay na yung ating situation. Wala na yung pandemic. Oh, wishful thinking. Baka nandiyan pa rin yan hanggang 2021. Pero hopefully, mabawasan na ang mga infected or infections or whatever na nagiging cause ng virus na to, itong COVID-19 virus. Again, bye-bye guys. See you next year.